As a NRI, you have made a lot of money. And as a true Indian, you want to invest in India. क्योंकि सभी चाहते हैं बारिश में अपने घर में चाय की चुस्कियाँ. But there are some guidelines for NRIs to invest in real estate sector in India given by FEMA. FEMA is Foreign Exchange Management Act. Guideline number 1. A NRI can buy residential, commercial and developed plots. A NRI cannot buy agricultural land, plantation and farmhouses. Guideline number 2. A NRI can avail home loans in India, but they need a guarantor in India. Second, they need to sign a POA in Indian Embassy. POA is power of attorney. Guideline number 3. If an NRI wants to rent out their property in India, they have to pay taxes on rental income and they will receive the rental income in their NRO account. Guideline number 4. If a NRI want to sell their property before 2 years, it will be treated as short-term capital gain. If a NRI want to sell their property after 2 years, it will be treated as long-term capital gain. According to the Economic Times analysis, NRI investment will be 20% in real estate sector by 2030. Thank you.